Hi, welcome to this short video tutorial on our retrosynthesis software in AI for Green. To access our retrosynthesis software, one must click on the top Retrosynthesis tab in our AI for Green app homepage. That will take you to the following screen. To begin a new retrosynthesis, one must put the target molecule SMILES string into this box here, and then click New Retrosynthesis. However, before doing that, there are additional search configuration options that you can add, or you can add enhancement options, which you can learn more about through our information button or through our About Retrosynthesis page in the top left. Once you are happy with your configurations, you can click New Retrosynthesis, and after a bit of processing, you will receive several routes to your target molecule. These will be displayed both in the route drop-down selection with color-coded weightings based off their sustainability metrics, or in the user interface. The user interface is interactive, and one can click on each of the individual items or molecules in the route and find out information as to whether they are in the database or not. Additionally, you can click on each of the different reactions in the route, and you can find out the individual condition sets on these reactions, along with their sustainability data. The sustainability and conditions data for these metrics are color-coded in the green, yellow, red format, green being the most sustainable, red being the least. Additionally, you can look at the sustainability weightings of the whole route by looking at the step analysis. Furthermore, you can adjust which metric weightings are more important to you with the sliders at the bottom. Finally, you can save your results with the Save to Workbook button on the far right, such that you can re-access your retrosynthesis later on after leaving it. If you have any more questions, you can visit the About Retrosynthesis page, which will have explanations on the configuration options, the reactions and the conditions, and the enhancement options.